Divide 936 by 8 in long division method. 8 times 1 is 8. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down these 3 and it is 13. So 8 times 1 is 8. On subtracting we get 5. So again we put down this 6 and it is 56. So 8 times 7 is 56. On subtracting we get 0. So 936 divided by 8 is 117. So this much for today and thanks for watching.